This is my two-part series. Hey, this is my two-part series. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for the craft that we have for today. So we are doing we're making little lollipop pots from stuff from the Dollar Tree that you can give out for Easter, for spring, for baby showers, for party favors, just for because. And I am so excited to show you how we make these beautiful pots. And I love you guys so much. I'm sending you guys love and light during this time. Stay home and stay safe, and let's get into this craft, you guys. So the first step for our little fun project today is to get your terracotta pots. Now they sell these at the Dollar Tree. They come in a pinkish brownish color, which you can use as is, or you can paint them like I did. I got the paint from the Dollar Tree, and this is premium acrylic paint in pink and green, or you can glitter the entire thing like I did here. And the paint the glitter came from Michael's. And if you wanted to see how I paint and glitter my pots, check out my pot of gold video. So let's move on to the next step. For our second step, we are going to take colored tissue paper, which also comes from the Dollar Tree, and we are going to stack it. So I have blue paper, green, pink, and yellow, and it comes long like this. So I'm going to stack it together and then fold it. And then what I'm going to do is get a piece of paper, or you can freehand this, but you're going to do 4 different sizes of little petals. A large one, and then you will keep getting smaller as you go. So again, it looks like this. Just a little petal design that you'll be doing for this. And then once you have that, you will put it right on your paper like this, and then you will cut it out. And I will show you how to do that. With some practice, you will get the hang of it and be able to do this freehand. So now that we have cut out all of our little pieces of paper, we are going to assemble them. So this is the small, that there. We have the medium, and it gradually gets bigger and bigger. Just gonna put them off to the side. And now we're going to assemble them. So you're gonna use the smallest pieces first and then go up. So I'm gonna start with my yellow, and I got these from the Dollar Tree. This is a blow pop. You can also do it with a Dum Dum or whatever lollipop that you prefer. And then I'm going to stick a hole right in the middle of it like that. You can see. And then I'm going to use the next piece and pop that right in the middle. And I'm going to go in with pink. Pop that in the middle. And then the largest piece, pop that in. So then you have a little flower, as you can see. And I will do one more just so you can see how I did that. Now we're gonna get started with some string. This is Celebrate It from Michael's. and some ombre colored, multicolored string, both from Michaels, to wrap around our lollipop. So you're gonna start at the top and then you're gonna work your way up. That's one method of doing it. Go all the way up to the top of this candy. Just gonna keep wrapping and wrapping, and then after you do the top, we're going to do the bottom part of the string, but not all the way down to the bottom. Now I'm just sealing the ends. Now I'm using the multicolored string and showing you a different way to wrap it, where you wrap the bottom part first and then go back in and wrap the top part. So I'm sealing the ends and then I'm gonna go and wrap the top halfway through the lollipop, just so the petals lay exactly the way that you want them to lay, all the way up the lollipop. So now we're gonna go in with our floral foam. I usually get this from the Dollar Tree, but I got this from Amazon since I wasn't able to make it to the store. We're gonna cut little pieces and glue them and put them in the bottom of our pot to get ready for our lollipops. The next step is to assemble your lollipop right into the pot and to arrange the petals. Now we're going to take some grass that I got from the Dollar Tree and put those right into the pot. So cute. I'm loving the way that these are looking. And voila, we are all finished. Aren't these just so cute? Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I really enjoyed this craft, making these little lollipop pots with me today. As you can see, there's so many different things that you could do with these. You can give them to your neighbors, friends, co-workers when we go back to work. The possibilities are endless. And this was the last part of my 2-part series, and I had a great time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. So stay tuned to next time. We will be doing something else super fun. See you soon.